Hi guys, it's Becky at Babes in Hairland. We're back today with a great Valentine's Day hairstyle for you. Sorry we weren't here last week. I've been fighting migraines again and that just kind of makes me shut everything down. So for today's hairstyle though, you're going to want to pull the hair back into the center of the back of the head, and I haven't made a full half pony here. I just simply pulled from ear to ear a little bit of hair and combined it with an elastic. Then I'm splitting the ponytail into a top and bottom piece. You don't want to be working with a ton of hair here, so if you have thinner hair, use the whole ponytail, but for hers, half of the ponytail worked great. So you're going to divide that into two pieces, a left and right, and just like you're tying your shoe, pass that one over and then pop it through the middle so it's like you're tying a knot. Then you're going to need another elastic and join those two ends together with your elastic. And this is going to be where you make your heart shape. So gently pull on each side and hold on to the opposite side of your heart so it doesn't also pull up, and then it won't look as much like a heart if that is the case. So just gently work with the hair to form the shape of the heart. And you can make these as big or as little as you want. If you're working with less hair, then it'll be a cute little tiny heart. I actually did this hairstyle on B randomly last year just after Valentine's Day, so I've been waiting a whole year to share this one, so we're excited to share this hanging hearts hairstyle with you today. Okay, so once you have that first heart done, you're going to move here to the left side and just grab a little bit of hair from behind each ear, and you're going to be drawing those back into the center as well. You could attach these with another elastic to the base of your first heart, but I found that if you did that, it kind of messed with your shape and it's kind of a delicate heart, so I just left it alone and attached with an elastic here that was just below. And then I flipped the hair over again just to kind of cinch things up so it's not too loose. And then you're going to repeat what you did up in the top. So I divide this ponytail into a top and bottom piece, and again I'm just going to work with the top piece. And just as before, divide it into two pieces. You're going to put that one up and through like if you're tying your shoe, and carefully bring those down below, and with another elastic you're going to be combining them there in the size of the heart that you want. Just like before, just gently pull on each side to form your heart shape. And that's really all there is to this hairstyle. You'll want to hairspray these so they do stay put pretty good, but my daughter's pointed out there's actually another heart right there, and then these little ones that are hanging hearts. So we've got three, or even if you look at the hearts as they're hanging, the knot from above could also be an upside down heart, I guess, but we didn't make those bigger. So here it is, final look at the finished hairstyle. We hope you like this one, and I'll use it for Valentine's Day. That's just a couple weeks away. Don't forget we have a whole bunch of other Valentine's hairstyles, heart hairstyles, and we'll link those below in the description box. So thanks guys for watching and having patience with us as I'm not feeling great. We appreciate you watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, and head over to our blog babesinhairland.com for more great hairstyles and Valentine's Day tutorials. So we will see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye bye.